just got the Microsoft Surface Pro. I wanted the Surface Book, but the book was a little more too expensive, so here we go. Pro, Intel. Cool.
And that's it.
You guys, I'm ready to edit YouTube videos on this new babe. I need to name her. I'm feeling it's a girl.
It's always a girl. Never name it a nasty.
This is the keyboard, right? Like it has to come with the keyboard.
Maybe it's the stylus.
Oh my gosh, if it comes like no, it comes with a keyboard. Like if it came without a keyboard, it'd be like
It's touchscreen. I think it's the stylus.
Oh, what?
Charger?
Yeah, that's the
Talk
charger.
about packaging, jeez.
Okay, wait. So if that's the charger.
What do you mean keyboard? It's just touchscreen.
No.
Oh, that attachable keyboard.
Yeah.
maybe it's in the box at home. I don't think so though. It was empty.
I just bought the new keyboard for the Windows Surface Pro, and I am so excited to start using this because now I can actually detach this. I don't want to right now, but I can basically detach it so it kind of is like a tablet, and then the keyboard is just like an extension to make it more of a laptop. So right now I'm over at Starbucks getting some work done on my laptop as much as possible. Just picking up my package now. I'm so excited. I know what's in it. It's gonna be tea from Lemon Lily. I personally met the owner of Lemon Lily. He's a really kind-hearted guy. So this is minty matcha. Cannot wait to try it. I cannot wait to delve into these two books. I am in love with little journals and creative books where I'm able to doodle. Epic meter, wow. Everything grows with love. This is the same maker from the Flow magazine and the same makers from a book that takes its time. It's okay to make mistakes. It's a good day to have a good day. I love pretty books and pretty journals. It's really grown on me. It's really grown on me. And in case you haven't seen this book before, I did buy this from Costco in the previous video, and the Flow book is basically a place for creativity, for daydreaming, for trying out little things here and there, and I'm just looking forward to completing this entire book. There's like things that you can rip out, and there's things that you can write on, and there's many different chapters. I love it. Check it out, guys. I just received this in the mail, and I'm so excited to review this and see how it goes. I'm a huge fan of journaling, and I discovered dot journaling online, this book, and I said I really wanted to try it out, so I got it in the mail, and this comes with a set of two. This one would be the journal part of it, and I really like how it comes with like a bookmark / rubber band at the side so that it can keep closed. And then this would be the instruction book, and it would tell you little instructional things that you can do, little fun things. If you like scrapbooking, if you like journaling, ideas, monthly diary, setup, little planning, little lists, new word lists, little things like inspirational. If you're a journal junkie like I am, I'm a huge journal junkie, this will give you little ideas to organize your life and write things down. So I just got this in the mail, and literally he missed me, and then I opened the door, and then one of my housemates was like, you know, there was a guy like having a package for you, and I was like, oh shoot, I just missed him. So I walked out the door because I was gonna go out for a walk anyway, and I saw him, and he was just parked near my neighbor's door, and luckily I caught him, and I was able to get this without having to pick it up all the way from God knows where the post office is. But I'm so glad. It's little blessings like this that need to be appreciated in life. The very fact that I was able to catch him and he recognized me, And getting little gifts like this in the mail is just so nice. So I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna go on a walk for maybe about like 20 minutes. I'm gonna head to the coffee shop for maybe about 30 minutes to get some journaling done, because staying inside my house all day long makes me absolutely crazy, and I like doing new things in new environments. And then I'm gonna head home, do some yoga, meditate a little bit, and then call it the end of the day. And then I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and I have a presentation, culminating presentation tomorrow, because I'm an acting major. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Receiving snail mail is one of the best things that I really love. I'm covering the addresses because I just want to keep my privacy and my sender's privacy, but you can see it's embroidered at the sides. It's so beautiful. She's also from the same province as me. I really like this part. I really like how it's decorated, and I like how it's done with care. The L stands for the first letter of my name, and I can't wait to open this. I am so open to pen pals. I'm looking forward to having more pen pals over the summer. Oh, it's so cute. This paper clip. Oh, this paper clip is to keep. I am so keeping this and throwing out all my old metal ones. Oh, beautiful sketches. See, I really love homemade, thoughtful little presents as this. Late. It is about 8:45 p.m. and I want to get in a short yoga session when I get home. I'm currently at the coffee shop right now, and I didn't exactly get time to check out my new package in the mail of this new dot journaling set that I got, because my normal journaling actually took so long. I had so much to say today. Today was just such a wonderful day in terms of being more mindful with my food and being more mindful with my habits and just being a little less anxious overall with school and everything like that. Today I finished one of my giant projects, and tomorrow would be the last one. So a huge burden off my chest. I also wanted to get in some job applications then, but I don't think that's gonna happen today. I'm just gonna relax when I go home, and then I will do this another day. I will leave a link down in the description below where you can purchase one of these journals. I am so excited to start one. I am such a journal junkie. Like, guys, I am a journal junkie. It has grown on me. Pinterest, you've got me. Anyway, other than that, I will be writing a letter to a potential pen pal. If you're up for pen paling, let me know. And I will see my fitties in the next video.